Sorry then, just a quick update on the challenge. I haven't done an update for a while, but today we're going to do a big update because I've been thinking about this challenge, of the structure, the game plan and everything, and today I just want to share with you some things that I've thought about and going forward how we're going to do this. So today is about the big strategic pivot update on the game plan from the original one. So originally the plan was simple. We'll find trading bots, deploy them across different markets. We had the 5 core strategies that I want to focus on that cover all market conditions potentially. But now we're not just gonna focus on systems. But we're not going to be focusing on strategy to market alignment, whereby each strategy is assigned to the right asset and the environment. So basically we're going to match each strategy to the market that it naturally fits best. So from my original core 5 strategy, the scalping, trend following, mean reversion, breakout, swing reversal, we're now going to assign each asset to the strategy. And let's now talk about that. So here's the updated asset to strategy mapping. So the assets AUD, NZD, this is the mean reversion. It moves slowly, it ranges quite a lot regularly, so it fits the mean reversion logic quite well. So we're going to focus on strategies that are mean reversion for AUD, NZD. Euro CHF swing reversal. It's a stable asset. It has a smoother structure. It's slow as well. It suits reversal based systems. So we're going to focus on finding strategies that are swing reversal for Euro CHF. USD CAD scalping. It's a liquid asset. It moves consistently intraday, and it fits scalping strategies quite well. So we're going to look at scalping strategies for USD CAD. Next one is gold, XAUUSD. So gold is very volatile, as we all know, and expands strongly. So it's ideal for breakout systems. So with gold, I'm going to be looking at breakout strategies for gold. And I've actually got some good news on this particular asset, because that's the next one. I'm looking at a strategy right now. If I just show you, if I'm gonna just put this on the side 1 second, let me show you something. Check this out. This is a gold strategy, a breakout strategy. I've been looking at the back testing. So this is potentially going to be going on demo forwarding testing very soon, because this is looking quite good actually. So check this out. 9% equity drawdown, win rate 35%, which is not ideal, because ideally I wanted 50%. Profit factor 1.34. so those things I just need to work on. Get the profit factor to 1.5 and get the win rate to about 50 or so, near enough 50. But I like the drawdown, which is 9%. So this is, I'm looking at this one potentially and see how we can roll this out on the demo to start with. All right, so next one will be the GPJPY. This is the trend following. So the GPJPY trends aggressively when it does, and it delivers strong momentum. So this will be suitable for trend following systems. So I'm going to look at trend strategies for this particular asset. So BTC USD, we're not going to ignore that, because this is very powerful, and this BTC USD will use as a trend following approach from the core 5 strategy, as it has a strong directional behavior and it can sustain long moves when it trends as well. But right now it will serve as an extra experimental asset, because we got enough assets to focus on right now, and if performance is stable, then it can scale later on. We can add it later on, because we'll have more funds as well, which we can add more strategies on, assets on, for example BTUSD. But if I do, while I'm researching on strategies, if I do come across a BTUSD, I will definitely look into it. So the key strategy shift is that we're not deploying everything at once. We're going to do it in phases, and we're going to sequence the rollout based on momentum validation. So which means phase one, we're going to focus on XAUUSD, which is the breakout strategies for gold, because this is priority, because we want validation as well, so that we can get into profit potentially as fast as possible in the challenge. And that way gold is the perfect candidate for that, because gold moves, generates more pips than any other asset on a given day. Movement as well, high volatility and everything. So I'm going to focus on gold to start with in phase one, and then we'll see how that goes. And I'm definitely I've just shown you one strategy I'm looking at. So I'm looking at gold strategies right now, breakout strategies to deploy. I'm going to be doing another update very soon. After this update, maybe tomorrow, sometime during the week, because if you've been following the challenge, I've actually been forward testing another gold breakout strategy, which is actually doing quite well. Let me just give you a little sort of a teaser. So if you've been following the challenge, I rolled out a strategy for gold, a breakout strategy actually, on the 24th. So let's go 24th of May on demo testing. So 24th of May to today, which is Sunday. So let's have a look. So just look what happened with this. This has been performing really well. So this is gold. I've got two strategies. I've got the JPY and gold as well, but let's focus on the gold. So look what happened with gold. Check this out. Look. So if you look at the greens here, that's gold. Since it started, look at the greens here. Can see more greens than reds, right? In fact, there's only from the 24th to today, there's only 2 reds, 2 losing trades, and all greens. Look at that, and that's the profit on gold. So if you minus the JPY because it's using like crazy lot sizes, but gold has been profiting, doing quite well really on this strategy, and this is a breakout strategy. So this will I'm going to roll this out on live money account, live trading account, the challenge account, probably this week, because I'm happy with that so far on the forward testing. And also this particular EA is limited to until June the 30th. It's free, then it's going to become paid, that one. So it's actually a paid one, but for limited time, they've got it out for free. So ideally, if I could get it out this week, hopefully potentially generate some profits with the free up until 30th June, which they're going to make it paid version. At least we'll have some profits in the bank, in the trading account with this particular EA. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's just a quick teaser, but this update was all more about the game plan change update. Keep an eye out for my next video, which will probably be a video about me rolling it out on the actual live account, step by step, just like this here. We're going to roll out the new EA. Okay, so let's wrap this video up. So first of all, why this approach? So it's not about diversification early, it's about control, where we start with one strong market, which is gold, and we prove the execution, get validation, we get confidence system by getting the profits, generating profits, then we expand step by step. And on the future phases, once gold is stable, we expand into the other markets, the assets, the strategies, and then after that, after we got the remaining 4, we got a full 5 strategy portfolio in place, in motion. And obviously we keep in mind got BTC USD as well. We're going to add that in, but as I said, that's going to be an added extra once we get that in. But I'm not ruling BTC USD out because it's really powerful. So that's it basically for this video. So yeah, so direction has not changed. It's just we've improved the structure of the game plan, so where we can start focused on something that will give us potential profits faster than slow, so that we can start seeing some profits on the challenge. So that's it for this video. If you're interested in the challenge, where I attempt to grow a live $100 capital to 1 million with automated trading strategies, you can go to this particular website. Let me show you. So if you go to 100-1m.com, and you can learn more about it. It's completely free to start the challenge. And as I said, I'm sharing all my strategies, my set files, EAs, everything, the robots that I'm using, and then you can basically just follow along and start your own challenge yourself alongside me. As I said, I'm sharing everything step by step. So as you can see here, I've got live action tracker as well. So every step that I do on the challenge, I've got a Google spreadsheet where you can basically got links to all the steps and everything that I do, and you can just follow along step by step. So once you go to this page 100-m1.com, you go to a page similar like this, and then you can see all the information about the challenge, why I'm doing the challenge and everything about the challenge. And then you can of course sign up for completely free. And look, I've got a live progress dashboard as well, so with all the updates that I do any day that I do the updates, and you can check everything out, the current balance, target and everything like that. But yeah, if you go to 100-m.com, you can sign up for free. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.